Looking for well pump services in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating water issues can be. Whether it's a failing pump or low water pressure, we provide fast, reliable solutions to get your system back on track. Our well pump services ensure consistent water flow to your home or business. From expert repairs and replacements to new installations, we handle both shallow and deep well systems with precision and care. In Strathcona County, we understand the unique water system challenges you face. That's why our team is committed to offering professional, cost-effective solutions tailored to your needs, with 24/7 emergency service available. Keep watching to discover why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for well pump services in Strathcona County.